Stocks on Wall Street ended higher on Friday after a steep decline on Thursday, but all three major indices suffered their worst week in nearly 3 months. Financial and the technology sector gave the biggest boost to S&P 500. Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1.9%, S&P gained 1.3% and Nasdaq 1%. For Reliance has been like money pouring season with the latest announcement of investment by TPG and L Catterton. The tally reaches to 1,04,000 crore in last 7 weeks. According to NSE circular published on June 12, that the Reliance Industries Limited partly paid up shares will get listed that were issued pursuant to the right issue will get listed on June 15, that is Monday. Let us look at the other parameters which are given by the NSE for the trading purposes. The symbol will be Reliance PP, that is Reliance partly paid up shares. The series will be E1, so it will get listed on E1 series. The issue price of the right issue was 1257, while the paid up on application was 314.25 per share. The face value of the Reliance is 10 per share, while the paid up value is ₹2.50. So number of securities that will get listed on Monday will be for around 42 crore shares will get listed, and the market lot will be of 1 shares. According to Public Information Bureau, Government of India southwest monsoon advances over entire Maharashtra, parts of South Gujarat and some parts of Central and East India. The seasonal cumulative rainfall during this year is above long period average by 31% till 14 June. Public Information Broadcasting, a government's nodal agency, has clarified a viral message on social media claiming reimposition of a strict lockdown, and PIB has clarified that there is no such plan under consideration. Please be aware of rumor mongers. Friday's session was quite interesting in FIIs derivative segment because they have created short put options, mostly short put options, and they played the bet through the options. And if you look at the overall positions, they have created index futures, they have created some shorts in the index futures, but mostly on the put option side they have shorted put options to the tune of 25,000 contracts and a long of 9,500 contracts. Net they have actually created a short put of 16,000 contracts, and shorting the put, as you know, that making a bullish bet on the market. Now on the call side they have created 17,000 contracts around on the long side and shorted 14,000, so net 3,000 contracts they went long. So again they have played some bullish bet, although albeit with smaller quantity from the call side, and they created 4,000 contracts on the short side. So net if you look at the overall position on Friday, actually FI has created a bullish bet through shorting put options. And looking at the cash market, so they have continued their selling in last 3 days in the cash market. So basically they have created a bullish bet on the market through the options. But one thing is concerning, that they have created their net future contracts went negative after so many trading sessions. So this is a bit concerned, because going forward, if they create through the index futures, if they create much contracts on the selling side, that will be a concern, because this has got a direct correlations with the market. Because in the previous occasion we have seen that whenever they create net index future short position, then market moves in that direction. On your screen is 30 minutes charts of USDINR June future. We have seen that it opened on Friday quite a bit higher, but failed to sustain on the upper range, and we can see here it moved quite a bit lower and then consolidated at the lower end of the trading session. Now what will be the important level for Monday. So 76, around 76, let's say 75.98 to 76 will again be the key resistance area to look out for, and if it moves and sustain above those levels, it will try and move up towards 76.2021. That will be a key resistance area on the upper band. And on the lower side, if it fails to move above 76, then we may see it skidding towards 75.80 to 75.82 kind of level, because that was the level from where it marked a breakout on Thursday, moved above there and closed above those levels. Until Friday it has maintained above those levels. So still the breakout is open, and the upper side we can see that if it moves above 76, it will move towards 76.20 then, and if sustain again above that 76.20 in coming days, then we may see it moving towards 76.40, which is minimum achievable target of the inverse head and shoulder formation erstwhile it was making, and we have seen the breakout on Thursday only. This is Nifty daily charts. As we have mentioned in our last videos, that market may take support near to the trend line, which is positioned around the 9550 to 9580, and market behaved in the same way. It made a low of 9544. Then we have seen in last trading session market recouped all the losses, closes into the green territory. And let us look what will be the important level going forward for today. Let us look at the key areas to watch out for today's trading session. The support is coming around 9940. That will act as a support, and if market slips below this, that will mark again the beginning of the downtrend. And if it sustains above this mark, it will try to move to the resistance area of 10,020. So for today's trading session, these two levels will be quite important. This is Nifty 30 minutes chart. We can see market, if it sustain above 9940, it will try and move the sideways kind of range zone area, which is pegged in the zone of 9940 till the 10,300 kind of level. So that was erstwhile market was gyrating in the region, but now it's trying to move again in the same region. So today's trading session will be quite important to look at whether the market maintains its 9940 kind of level. This is Bank Nifty 30 minutes chart. We have seen in last trading session a smart recovery in Bank Nifty, and again it is trading in the erstwhile trading range of 20,300 to till 21,600. Now it again entered into the same range. Now what will be the key level for today? So 20,600 is where the market, that Bank Nifty, we closed around this level. So this will act as again support areas, and if it sustain above 20,600, it will try to move around 20,900, which will be the nearest key resistance area for Bank Nifty. And if it fails to sustain that 20,600, then 300 below is what the key support areas is there, and if it moves below this area, that will mark the beginning of the downtrend once again. If you find any meaningful information in this video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get future notifications.